Okay, so hi dear Gemini, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 5th till the 11th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love course, links are given below in the description box too. So let's start. Gemini, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. Okay, honey. We have the Empress. So somebody sees you as somebody who's glowing, growing, and doing their own thing in a very, very beautiful and positive way. Or someone definitely feels like having a beautiful uh, connection with you, where they are growing old with you. Let's clarify the Empress here. But they see you as someone where they can invest in. Let's see. We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, and the Two of Cups. Yes, this is somebody whose energies are being directed towards you. They're very disappointed. There is a sense of guilt and or regret in their energies, where they're feeling, even if they did something wrong, even if they messed up, they can't just let you go. They feel like coming towards you with a very very slow and steady pace, and they feel like you are the one for them. Two of Cups and the Empress together is a very beautiful combination of somebody feeling that there is a potential of growth and expansion. There is a feeling of a soulmate kind of dynamic, and they feel like coming forward towards you with a very slow and steady pace so that things can work out. So this is what they feel. With a lot of heavy energies inside of them, they feel you are the one for them. But they feel like coming towards you with a very very slow pace, very slow, but something very mature and grounded. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? Two of Pentacles. So Gemini, there's a sense of on and off, in and out. There's a sense of confusion here. Maybe you have choice between two people, two energies, and or you feel like should you not in this situation, right? Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles. There is a sense of should I not, should I not. Okay, let's see. We have the Nine of Wands and the Four of Swords and the Eight of Pentacles. Right now, you feel like you should keep your guards up and detach yourself and keep on working on your individual healing, right? And you feel like you need your time, you need your space in order to understand what you should exactly do in this situation. Should you invest or should you not? Should you let it go? Should you just wait? Or there are lots of ifs and buts and conflicts, and there are lots of should I not kind of energies, and you feel like you should just detach from the idea of doing something about the situation right now, and you should just put in the effort and energy to heal yourself properly. But your guards are really really up energetically. This is what you feel. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Gemini? Emperor. See, their intention is to take the control of the situation, take the charge of the situation in their own hands, and make some kind of choice and decision here. But this person definitely wants to take the control of the situation in their hands. Basically, wants to control the situation according to their ways. Okay, let's clarify the Emperor. We have the Hanged Man, the Ten of Swords, and the Nine of Pentacles. They don't want to remain stuck in the situation forever. They want to work on themselves, their money, their job, their career, their independence, and they want to take the control of the situation and their life in their own hands, because according to them, they have given enough time and resources and energy to the situation. All they got is stuck energies, all they got is disappointment. Now they want to focus on themselves as much as they can, and this is their final decision. Right now they just want to be with themselves. They just don't want to get stuck, don't want to keep themselves stuck in the situation forever. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini? King of Swords. You just want to remain very very practical and logical and in a cutthroat energy of I know, right? This is what you want. Very clear, very um, to the point. Let me clarify the King of Swords here. Sometimes I feel like I'm a Queen of Swords kind of a person. Haha. Knight of Cups, the Moon card, and the King of Pentacles. You don't want any kind of half-hearted attempts, or you don't want any kind of confusion or anxiety or secrets or secretive energies. You want to come forward, you want to go forward in a connection where you know there's truth, there's clarity, there's a lot of stability on the table. And if you are not getting what you want out of a particular situation, you don't want it at all. You're like, nope, good, I'm good. No clarity, mixed emotions, mixed feelings, games, la, no, goodbye. So you want a very stable, secure, and safe relationship where everything is crystal clear between you guys, emotionally, mentally, and physically, and nothing is like hidden, nothing is like secretive. There, no more confusion, no more ifs and buts, no more this and that. Okay, you want it all clear. Let's see what's coming forward towards you by the 11th of May, honey. Judgment card. It's like a releasing and letting go. Okay, let me clarify the judgment. Judgment sometimes represents coming back together as well. We have the Tower, the Queen of Wands, and the Eight of Swords. Yes, it's like somebody is going to ask for forgiveness out of the blue. Somebody is going to like make their mind to do something about the situation, to take some kind of initiative in this direction out of the blue. And instead of like things getting sorted, things are going to get more complicated, because one of you is going to do like something very sudden and unexpected. The other person is going to be like, what the hell just happened? Now what should I do? I was not expecting this to happen. So suddenly out of the blue, either you or your person is going to be like, okay, let's do something about it. Let's start from the start. Maybe a sense of forgiveness, maybe a sense of, okay, whatever happened, we it's a messy situation. We both messed up. Let's do something about it. Let's sort it out. So suddenly out of the blue, and then you are going to be like, I don't know if I want to sort it out with you. I don't know if I want to reconnect with you. I don't know if this situation is good for me anymore. I know what I want, but this situation is not still aligning with what I want. So I don't know. Maybe or maybe not. So this maybe or maybe not is going to be there for you when this person is going to suddenly show up in your energies, pop up in your energies like crazy. And it's a tower. It's like it's not something that's like going to come and just vanish in thin air. It's going to stay. It's going to shock you and surprise you. Wow. For you, the guidance here is the magician. Okay, you know what you want. Exactly, you know what you want because you told me in your intentions. So don't let this setback, or don't let this energy of somebody unexpectedly doing something deviate you from the path of what you really, really want. This might be a test from the universe's side, like, okay, you want something like this. I am ready to give you something like that. But are you ready to pass the test? Are you ready to let go of all the obstacles and challenges, all the things that's coming your way? Are you ready? Ask yourself. Because this sudden unexpected thing that's happening in your life, in your energies, is actually testing you for the situation that you really, really want and deserve in your life. So are you ready? That's the question here. So this situation is coming forward to you so that you can properly understand and analyze. Are you really, really ready to accept what you really, really want, or are you just pretending with yourself, right? That's the deal here. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.